for 60 days and just did 4 things in a great way with great focus, off to the races. And that's what every one of you can do.
Yeah. And how would your results look if you did do that? Raj, what do you want someone to walk away from this episode understanding about focus?
I want them to understand the importance of it because, like I was taught, focus is the greatest work habit. And lack of focus is what's keeping you from literally a 10x jump. You can't create 10x results being distracted at a 10x level. So you can't keep doing the same things expecting different results. So, like I said, if you just observe your best, most effective results you've created, and then observe your focus at that time, you're going to see it for yourself. So I want people to practice focus. I want them to eliminate the distractions and focus on a few goal achieving activities that are their highest income producing activities towards their business goal, and then do it for their personal goal, and you're going to see it.